This is my Mimi. She's happy with her new cat tree. Hello. Sige pa, sige. Hila, hila. I got pa more. Very happy on her new cat tree. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Just bought it yesterday and assembled last night. Enjoy na enjoy talaga, oh. How many months is she now? Since birth is 31st of July. So July, August, September, October, November, December, January. 6 months. She lives 6 months at the end of the month. Sige, tanggalin mo. Tanggal. O, yan. Tinanggalan niya. Ayan. Wala na. Tinanggal na. Ano ba yan, mami? Miming? Muning, ano bang ginagawa mo sa, laruan mo? Allah, nahulog na. Yan, nahulog na. Sige, baba ka. Baba. Ay, tinamad. Tinanggal mo kasi. Ayan. Wala na. Tuwa sila, ah. Natignagon. Tinag mo, awanon. Woy, agayin sa. Sige, baba. See? Allah. Ayan mo, Muning. Muning, ayan mo, naglumong ka mo to nun. Ay.